Hey there! Today, we're diving into the ultimate grooming solution for men, the 5-in-1 Beard Trimmer Kit. A versatile grooming powerhouse that includes a professional beard trimmer, foil shaver, cordless hair trimmer, and more, making it perfect for trimming or shaving your face, beard, stubble, sideburns, necklines, and fine hair. With 24 cutting lengths and 6 guide combs, this trimmer offers precision and versatility, featuring an adjustable dial comb with 19 length settings from 1 to 10 mm for an even and close clean cut. The LED display keeps you informed of the remaining battery life, and with a powerful motor running at 7,500 RPM, it delivers fast and efficient trims without pulling or irritation, all while operating quietly. Designed for travel, it includes a 5-second soft lockout mechanism and a 2-in-1 stand that acts as a charging base, with a USB-A charging cable included for convenience. The IPX6 waterproof design ensures easy cleaning, with removable and washable stainless steel blades that cut through even the thickest beards effortlessly. Packaged in an exquisite gift box, this multifunctional grooming kit makes for a premium gift for any occasion, whether it's Christmas, a birthday, Father's Day, or an anniversary. So why wait? Elevate your grooming game with this all-in-one trimmer kit that's as practical as it is powerful.